lola. Wala kayo napakauli. Basta, happy birthday na langan. God bless you more. Mauli na lang sa New Year. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Nanay Matilde. Abot di Nanay.
Good health
Good health and more birthday
to come.
to come. Abot.
I miss you.
I miss you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Dagan ka papunta sa daramo nga birthday. Kas mo pa yung alawas. I love you, Nanay. Mahal na mahal kita kahit ako'y pasaway. I love you. I love you, Nanay. God bless you, Nanay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy 18th birthday. God bless you. Enjoy.
Happy birthday mo. Happy birthday. Clap, clap. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Ano po? Good, good. Shush. Say hi. Hello. Say hi. Happy birthday. Hindi, nagigil na. Hindi na. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Clap, clap. Dali. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Wave your hands. Dali. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Yay! Happy birthday, Lola. Dali na. Dali na. Happy birthday, Lola. Kiss kay Lola. Dali. Kiss. Ulit, ulit.
Happy 80th birthday, Lola Tilde.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you. Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you. Happy 80th birthday.
Batiin naman natin ang ating pinakapaboritong Mars!
Happy 80th birthday, Sex Bomb Matilde! Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy 80th birthday, Nanay! We pray na ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo today, and also we pray for you to have a long life and good health.
Happy 80th birthday, Nanay. Stay beautiful and lagi kang mag-cook zero, ha? Ganun lang. Enjoy mo lang yung life mo kahit minsan hindi mo kami naririnig pag nakikipag-usap. Sana sana makasama ka pa namin na matagal. Yun lang. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Nanay. Miss you po. Lahat. Salamat po.
We miss you, Nanay. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. Okay na. Ano ba yun?
Bloopers.
Ano yan?
Bloopers.